Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Now we are in lecture 2 of chapter number 11. So let us start our lecture. First definition is define midpoint. A point which divides the line into two equal parts is called midpoint. As AB is a line, if AC equal to CB, then C is called the midpoint of line AB. Define a transversal. A line which cut the parallel line in parallel lines is called a transversal. As we have three lines AB, CD and EF line cut it by line L. So as AB, CD and EF are parallel lines and line L cut these three parallel lines, that's why line L is called a transversal. Fill in the blanks, which is review exercise 11. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. Number 2, in a parallelogram, opposite angles are concurrent. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Median of a triangle are congruent. Diagonal of a parallelogram divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. In question number 2, in parallelogram ABCD, AB is parallel to CD, AC is parallel to BC. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 3 as alternate angles are concurrent. So angle 1 is also concurrent to angle 4. So blanks. Measurement AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC. BD is parallel to AC. Measurement angle 1 is concurrent to angle 4 and measurement angle 2 is concurrent to measurement angle 3. Question number 3. Find the unknowns in the given figure. Figure is this, which is a parallelogram. In parallelogram, these two sides are parallel and these two sides are parallel. M degree and X degree are opposite angles and opposite angles are concurrent. Therefore, N degree is equal to 75 and N degree is concurrent to Y degree, because N degree and Y degree are alternate angles and alternate angles are also concurrent. So in this way, Y degree is equal to 75 degree and we know that X plus 75 is equal to 180, which are supplementary angles. So in this way we find out the value of X degree. As X degree is concurrent to M degree, so M degree is also equal to X degree. Solution is N degree is 75 degree, opposite angles. Y degree is concurrent to N degree, alternate angles. So therefore Y degree is equal to 75 degree. As the sum of X degree and Y degree is equal to 180, putting the value of Y degree 75 degree. So final value of X degree is equal to 105 degree. As M degree is equal to X degree, so M degree is equal to 105 degree. In this way we find the all values of unknowns in this question. Students, I hope you will understand all these questions. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं. This is a slogan of native. खुदा हाफिज.